After today's lesson, we would like you to complete the Paper 1 exam practice of Unit 4. For Paper 1A, it would be in form of like a narrative or story called Floating into the Future. Here I have highlighted some words for you, and you can actually check from the reading passages that I attached to this video, or together you can find them in Google Classroom. So for the highlighted words, you can find their meanings in a glossary if you have it with you. I'm not going to freeze the screen here for a long time because I guess you can simply get the reading passages yourself with the highlighted words. What I want you to pay attention to would be the following questions in Part A. That is question 1, question 4, 11, 13, 14, 17, and 18. They would all be related to the two lesson objectives today. So they are questions related to making inferences and also rhetorical devices. So as you do this question, I would want you to refer back to the notes you've got today. Don't forget that you have to do part B2 as well. However, you should remember for part B2 in Unit 4, it is kind of challenging. So you need to allow yourself more time trying to understand what the text is about before you answer the questions. Let's take a look at the title together. I have extracted the title and also the first two lines for you. The Anthropocene epoch. Scientists declare dawn of human influenced age. There will be some technical terms that I would like to go through with you. Otherwise, you will be very confused when you read the text. Epoch would be referring to a very long period of time in geology. As for geology, it is about the scientific study of the structure of the Earth, about the way it is formed, and also how it has changed over time. In the text, you would find that 3 examples of geological epochs would be discussed. And the following table would help you understand more about them. The first one would be the Cretaceous, which is about the time when dinosaurs were dominating the Earth, and probably the end of these geological epoch will be about the time when all the dinosaurs died. And the next epoch would be what we call the Holocene, which is about like 12,000 years of stable climate on Earth. And during this period of time, human civilization started to begin and also flourish. And the last epoch is actually the main focus of the text, and it is what we call the Anthropocene. Some of the geologists and scientists argue that right now we have already started this new geological epoch, and it is characterized by the following, like deforestation, global warming, plastic pollution, extinction of many species, and also the global proliferation of domestic chicken. You know, domestic chicken, that is about the chicken that we all eat every day. So they are like kept as livestock everywhere on Earth. So that's why we say global proliferation of domestic chicken. So as you read part B2, I hope you can also pay attention to the following words highlighted. Again, you can see these highlighted words in another reading passage booklet that I give you. So I won't freeze the screen for a long time here. You can find their meanings in the glossary as well. Similarly for B2, I would like you to pay attention to the following questions. 39, 47, 48, 49, 52, 53, 56, and also 60. So these are questions related to inferencing and also rhetorical devices. In our next lesson, we will discuss all these questions in detail. So make sure you complete part A and also part B2. Also, finally, a gentle reminder, you should submit your first draft of the debate speech into Google Classroom. And then again, very soon there will be another video clip about how to write a debate speech, and you will need to work on peer evaluation and also self-evaluation. But right now, please, if you have not submitted your debate speech, please, I mean the first draft, please do so as soon as possible. Thank you.